Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about when you need to replace your stock bolt. Let's go. If you are going to install wheel spacers, you need to install the extending wheel bolt. The length of extending wheel bolt unit is the thickness of the spacer plus the stock bolt length. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. With the 12 petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolt also has a BONOSS engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, the matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. This excellent performance from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes, as evident by BONOSS logo on each product. If you want to get the BMW wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.